Oops. What's up, guys? Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy. And today I just want to answer one question. It's probably the most common question I get on my whole channel is,
what do you use to mount the camera inside the photo booth box?
what's the thing that holds the camera in? So here's the answer. It's a Z mount. And then just fix the angle of the camera in there. Just push it down. Okay, good enough. Open it up. Oh, and you see they're unplugged, so plug them in.
Into
just wherever you can in there. Last one.
There we go. There we go.
Now we'll make sure and plug the extension cord in. So here's a little peek at the beauty of the Z mount. So the camera's on the Z mount, and like literally you can just tilt it up or down, or you can just higher. Like it's the Z mount really gives the camera lots of room to be versatile in photo booths. So the Z mount is what you need to get. So you can order the Z mounts online just from eBay or Amazon. And this one's Neewer brand. You're gonna wanna find a metal one. So here's a metal one. You can see it's just a little square. It's about 2 inches squared. Neewer brand, this is a good quality one. And then it just goes up like a Z. Got a little thing that zips into the bottom of the camera, and you just spin it. And then you just mount it right there. Just put a screw into wherever your base is in the photo booth, and can take your photo booth to whatever angle you need. And you get a little Allen key and you tighten these up really tight so that it doesn't move around too much when your photo booth moves around. And that's the Z mount. Last thing, so you know Les? Well, me and Les, we build these photo booths. We built a bunch of them. So we're actually selling them. So if you would like to buy one off of us, just reach out to me. If you like the photo booth, or if you've seen them in some of the build videos, we've got them for sale. We've got a bunch of them for sale. So reach out if you're looking to buy a photo booth. So if you are interested in buying one of these off of us, we'll send you one out, or you can just inquire to us if you're interested in the pricing. I'll leave the email inside the description of this video. And as always, you stay classy.
Good.